Hey, it's Hallpro's Free Marketplace. Today we offer you this Logitech Wave Keys keyboard and mouse. They're both wireless. It comes with its chip, which you plug this into your computer, laptop, so the wireless keyboard and mouse could be detected. These are in used condition. All the items that we collect come from property cleanouts and junk removal jobs. This is an item that has not been tested but appears to be in good condition. It is completely free to our Orange County neighbors. You can go ahead and claim this item on our Hall Pros Free Marketplace. Delivery is also available. If you require delivery, we would be more than happy to assist you with that. This is the condition of the mouse. This is the wireless keyboard. Wave keys. And the model number is YR0096. It has some little legs, so it can stand upright. As you can see, the light is currently blinking, which shows signals that it is working. If you are interested, go ahead and claim this free item on our marketplace. Thank you for watching, guys.